How to onboard onto LPG X. This video walks you through the full onboarding process so you can get set up without any confusion. We are going to onboard onto LPG X in just 4 simple steps. So to do this, let's start with the first step, which is step 1, opening the LPG X app. Let's get started with setting up your LPG X app. First things first, swipe left on your home screen to browse through your installed apps. Once you land on the next page, take a moment to locate the LPG X icon among your apps. Go ahead and tap the LPG X icon to launch the application. The LPG X app is now open and loading. Let's move on to step 2, granting notification permissions so you don't miss important updates about your orders and account activity. A permission pop-up will show up asking about notifications. Tap Allow so you never miss important order updates and alerts from your customers. Notification permissions are now set. Next, we'll move on to step 3, selecting your preferred language for the app. The app will take a moment to initialize and check your language settings, so just hang tight while it loads. Once the language options appear, go ahead and select English to set it as your preferred language for the app. With the language set, the app is ready for sign-in. Next, we'll authenticate with our Google account by choosing one from the list to continue to LPG X. To sign in, tap the Continue with Google button. This is the fastest way to get started since it skips the hassle of creating a new password. From the pop-up, pick the Google account you want to link with your LPG X business. With Google authentication successful, our account is now linked to LPG X. Let's move on to selecting business type, which tells the app how to tailor your dashboard and features. Once you're signed in, the app will take you to the Complete Your Business profile screen where you'll set up the essentials for your account. To get started, tap the Business Type drop-down and pick the option that matches your operation, which in this case is LPG Distributor. Business type is now set to LPG Distributor. Next, let's set the business location so the app can configure regional settings like currency and operating area. To set your business location, tap on the country field to get started. A select location pop-up will appear. Open the country drop-down to browse the available options. Since the list is long, use the search bar to quickly find your country, then pick it from the results. Next up, tap the state drop-down to choose your region. Scroll through the list and select the state where your business operates. Open the city drop-down to narrow down your location even further. Pick your city from the available options. Once everything looks good, hit the Done button to lock in your location. Your business location is now set to New Delhi, India. Next, let's move on to step 3, entering your phone number, which will be used for account verification and important business communications. To enter your phone number, tap on the phone number field. Notice the +91 country code is already set for India. Go ahead and type in your business contact number using the keypad, with the phone number entered. Let's move on to step 4, submitting the profile by tapping the Complete Profile button. With all your details filled in, go ahead and hit the Complete Profile button at the bottom to submit everything. Give it a moment as the app processes your information and sets up your business account. The profile is submitted and the dashboard is now loading. Let's move on to following the onboarding tour, which walks you through the key features of the app so you know exactly where to find everything. Once you're in, the dashboard loads up and a quick onboarding tour kicks off. The first thing it points out is your daily snapshot card, which shows your sales and balance at a glance. Hit the next button to move along, and the tour will walk you through the quick action section, where you'll spend most of your time managing cylinders, parties, invoices, and accounts. Tap Next again, and you'll see the tour highlight your reporting tools. This is where you'll check daily summaries, expenses, and your overall profit and loss. Continue with Next to see the bottom navigation bar, which gives you quick access to every major section of the app. Tap Next once more, and the tour points to the menu icon at the top left. This is your gateway to settings, language preferences, subscription details, and team management. Moving on, the tour highlights the notification bell. Keep an eye on this for alerts about transactions and account changes, so nothing slips through the cracks. One more tap on Next brings you to the WhatsApp support icon, which is your quickest way to reach out for help whenever you need it. Hit Next to wrap up the tour, and you're all set to explore the dashboard on your own. The onboarding tour is now complete. Let's move on to the next step, accessing the full dashboard where you can manage every part of your LPG business. And with that, The tour wraps up, and you'll land on the full LPGX dashboard, ready to start managing your business. And just like that, you're in the full dashboard. Your LPGX account is set up and ready to go. Have fun exploring everything it can do.